Is it hard to cancel Rocket Money? Have you ever been frustrated with your monthly bills? Maybe you've wished there was a way to save money on your monthly expenses. If so, you're not alone. Many people are looking for ways to cut costs, and Rocket Money is one option that has gained popularity in recent years. But what happens if you're not happy with Rocket Money? Is it easy to cancel your subscription? In this video, we'll answer that question and more. Before we get into the details of canceling Rocket Money, let's take a quick look at what it is and how it works. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending and find ways to save money. It does this by analyzing your bank statements and identifying recurring expenses that you may be able to cancel or negotiate. Rocket Money also offers a number of other features such as price tracking. Rocket Money will alert you if the price of a product or service that you've purchased drops. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower interest rates on your credit cards and other debts. Cashback rewards. Rocket Money partners with a number of retailers and offers cashback rewards on your purchases. Is it hard to cancel Rocket Money? The answer to this question is yes and no. It's not difficult to cancel your Rocket Money subscription, but it can be a bit time-consuming. Here are the steps you need to take to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. Log in to your Rocket Money account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Once you've clicked on the Cancel Subscription button, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. After you confirm, your subscription will be canceled. What happens after you cancel Rocket Money? After you cancel your Rocket Money subscription, you will no longer have access to the app or its features. However, you will still be able to see your past transactions and reports. Tips for canceling Rocket Money. Be sure to cancel your subscription before your next billing cycle. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Rocket Money customer support. Rocket Money is a great tool for saving money on your monthly expenses. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of using the app before you sign up. If you're not happy with Rocket Money, it's easy to cancel your subscription. If you're considering using Rocket Money, I encourage you to do your research and read reviews from other users. You can also try the app for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I hope this script is helpful.